Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan is going to come. So we need some decoration material for that. Any decoration material we can use is whatever you are having. Then two different color wool, that also as per your choice, or one also you can use it. Scissors, your school ID, pencil, any color origami paper, and if you are having a box board at home, means like here I am having dark fantasy box, like this box board, you can use it, anyone. If you don't have, so it's okay, but if you are having, so for Rakhi stiffness we will get it, so you can use this. And we will need Fevicol also. Take one box board. Now here the cutting is there, so I will not use this, only this strip I need. So what I will do it here, like this strip I will cut it. So I need this much only, the white part is there back side. So how much big Rakhi we want, like this circle we are going to draw on it. So my bottle is medium size, so I need this much. So what I will do it here, I will draw a circle on it. 1, 2 and 3. 3 circles we will draw on it, and now we will cut this. We are having 3 circles now. From that one circle we will take, and some decoration material we are having. Now here what we are going to do it, whatever your choice, your design, you have to think, you have to decide, and we will fill this circle with decoration material. Now this decoration has done. So as per your choice, you have to decide which decoration you want to do it. So I decided like this. The second one, what we are going to do it, you are going to take any origami paper, the same circle whatever we drawn it first, same size of thing you have to take it, and we have to draw the circle like this, and we will cut this paper. Now the second paper we will take. Now here the dark side is there, white side, wherever you want. Now from white side I will stick the paper. Now this paper I am going to stick it on it. Let it dry. Now our 2 things are done. So what we will do now, the second design we will do it. So iCard, everyone has iCard, school iCard. So what we will do it here, this one wool you are having, whatever color you like you decide. So right now I am taking this yellow one because my design is here pink and red, so yellow combination will look nice. So I am taking this one. So we will wrap the wool around the iCard. Let us find the point. So it will be, now we will take iCard and like this way we will wrap it. How much big you want, like this. If you want big Rakhi, so you can wrap it like this way also, but here we will wrap it around, if we will think it, around 25 to 30 times we will wrap it. Now after wrapping we will cut one side, this one, and one more piece we will cut it. First only we have to cut this one piece. Now what we will do it here, this one very slowly we will take out. After taking out this, we will hold it like this way only. This thread we will spread it, and we will in middle we will keep like this, and here we will tie the knot. Whenever you are tying the knot, please tie it very tight. Otherwise, if we will tie it so loose, after cutting the thread, all threads will come out. So if you want it should not come out, so we have to tie it very tightly, and 3-4 knots we will tie it like this way. After this, here the gap is there, in between we will put scissor and we will cut the threads. Here one side, sometime what is happening, we will not cut all the threads, so like this, and we will, like pom-pom we are making, it is just like this. Now we will spread this all side. If we will see, it is not. Now this one we got it. Now we will cut this and give proper circle shape. Now this, like this flower done. Already 3 parts are there. One flower, one decoration, one circle, and this circle. Now this one is done. So what we will do it now, here we will put Fevicol, and in center we will stick it like this, and we will turn the flower Rakhi, and here now black paper is there, so here we will put glue, and this one we will stick it back side. So let it dry this thing one side. Till that time we will make thread. So 2 colors I told you. If you want to use one color, we can use one also. Now how much big thread we want, it depends on you. So I am taking this one, now I took 3 pieces like this in 2 different color. Here I will hold it, I will twist this one, here second set, third set, we will hold it like this, and here with different thread we will tie the knot. Now again same thing, we have to tie it so tightly. Here 2 or 3 times we will tie it like this. Here if it is extra one, we will cut it, we will make it in level. If someone is there at home to hold this, tell them to hold it tightly, they should not move. And then here we are going to make plates like girls are putting. So for that what we will do it, the last one we will put it in middle. First right hand side one, then left hand, right left or left right will come in center like this. Now here is going to come in center, then this one is going to come in center. Now here like this till end we will do it. Now our thread is done. So what we will do it here, first we will check it. You can take anyone's hand and check it, it is okay or not. Now this is perfect. like this. So I am taking this. Now we will fold this. Second side also I tied the thread, same way. I fold this. The center I want. I got the center. Here the line we will put it, and the center we will stick this. After this, the third paper we are having, this third circle, as per I said. On this paper also, here also, we will stick this. We will cut the circle like this. Now here we will put full Fevicol, and on it stick it. It will take time to dry, at least 15 minutes. Let it dry. Immediately if you will try to tie it, it will come out the thread. Now our Rakhi is done. Thank you.